Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Display Repair. If you want to keep your car in top condition, you must do regular maintenance on it. Otherwise, even if you buy the car new, in a couple of years, or let's say 100,000 kilometers or about 60,000 miles, the car will probably be good only for the junkyard. So here's some tips on how to avoid that, and the good part is that there are lots of things you can do on your own. Stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Closely related to this video is our other video about car depreciation. If you don't maintain your car, you lose value and money on it in the long run, that's for sure. If you want to learn more about how to fight car depreciation and save money, we've made a video specifically on this topic. The link for the video is in the card in the corner or in the video description. The first thing you can do, and perhaps the easiest, is to check all the fluids on your car. This is the foundation of keeping your car in good condition, and not only that, it will also help spot bigger problems on time, such as various leaks, excessive oil consumption, coolant consumption, and other big problems. The main fluids you should check are the engine oil, the coolant, the transmission oil. Provided you have a dipstick for checking, you should check the brake fluid, the windshield washer fluid, but also the power steering fluid. Except the power steering and the transmission fluid check, which is done more rarely, the other fluids should be checked at least once a month. It takes minutes to do, but is very useful. We've also made a separate video about this. The link for the video is in the corner and in the video description. Next, check the tire pressure at least once a month. Besides this, check the tire tread also. The tread should be checked at least 2 times a year, all depending on how much mileage you make. Worn out tires and low or high air pressure within them will seriously reduce the lifespan of the car's suspension. It will reduce the lifespan of the tires. It will affect the fuel consumption, but will also, of course, be a safety hazard. Keep the tires properly inflated and replace them on time. Next, check if all the signalization on your car is working. So this means check the headlights, position lights, turn signals, brake lights, the horn, but also the fog lights, reverse lights, and other less used signalization. How does this affect the longevity of your car, you may ask? Well, a good example is if your brake lights are not working. This problem can go on for weeks, if not months, without even recognizing it. Having that in mind, there is a good probability of a rear collision from someone. The same goes with headlights that don't work, turn signals, and else. So do this check at least a couple of times during the year. Now we come to the most important tip, and that is to do regular maintenance. Without this, your car is sooner or later doomed, even if it's brand new. Above all, you must change the engine oil and oil filter on time. This is the most crucial maintenance for the engine's longevity. Besides this, you have the air filter, cabin filter, fuel filter, and else, which are all equally important. Spark plugs or glow plugs, depending on what kind of engine you drive, must be replaced on time. Then you have the bigger maintenance, like the timing belt and the water pump, maintenance on the brake system, the suspension system, the transmission, and else. Also, you can do various cleanings with sprays during the year. You can clean the throttle body, the EGR valve, the map or MAF sensor, and else. All of this is an immense help for the engine. So all in all, every system is equally important to service and maintain on time. If you keep track and do this maintenance on time, it will at least double and sometimes triple the lifespan of your car. Another very important part of maintenance is keeping the car body and interior in good shape. Persistence is the key factor in this case. It means regular cleaning above all. Visits to the car wash or doing the cleaning at home must be on a regular basis. Regarding the car body, reacting to any issues on time is critical. So if you see things like chipped paint, protective coating, if you see the appearance of rust, damaged lacquer, or else, react immediately. The interior should be cleaned at least once a month, and even more if you have passengers, you like to eat in the car, you drive pets, and else. If you have some luck, and again, if you're persistent with this, your 20-year-old car may look as good as new. The final tip is to watch how you drive and to mind your driving habits. The arch enemy of your car's longevity are things like high revving when driving, keeping the pedal to the metal, not slowing down on potholes and speed bumps, tailgating, slamming the doors like they were from the barn, using all the sensitive switches in the car like a wild bear, and the long list goes on. All of this will certainly cause damage in the long run, and most of it is expensive to repair. So this is perhaps the easiest tip to follow. Just use your car normally and don't drive like a maniac. Pay a bit of attention and care, learn a couple of things about your car, and this will keep your car in good condition for years to come. For the end, if you want to keep your car in pristine shape, the most important factors are knowledge of the maintenance you have to do and knowledge of your car to some extent. You have to have persistence and diligence. Always have in mind that the car is a super complicated machine and it by default needs maintenance. It can't run without it. Never see the car as some sort of joyride where you just put gas in and you can freely ride around. If you have a stance like this, it will guarantee an eventual breakdown that may easily leave you on the side of the road and in trouble. By doing regular maintenance and paying attention to your car, there's a good probability that you'll, if not totally avoid, then you'll seriously reduce the possibility of problems happening in the first place. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.